Breaking news, several schools in 3 counties are on lockdown tonight following a robbery at a gun store.
Police say this man stole several high-end guns and made unspecified threats against area schools. Now campuses in Walworth, Jefferson and Rock counties are on shutdown. 12 News' Ben Hutchison is live in Walworth County tonight. Ben.
Good evening. This is Phoenix Middle School, one of the locations that was on that soft lockdown. You can see things are relatively quiet out here, and even the athletic fields here next to me, after school activities were canceled. Nothing happening there. This stems from a gun shop robbery on Tuesday in Janesville. The suspect in the case, Joshua Jakubowski, stole more than a dozen handguns and rifles. Police learned new information overnight that he's currently upset with a number of political issues, and his plan was to steal guns, then target public officials and at least one unknown school. The Rock County Sheriff's Office says surrounding school districts, including here in Walworth County, are taking precaution.
The threats to the school were relatively minimal, and they were not specific. There's been a lot of discussion about his political concerns as of late. Some of the stuff going on around our country seems to be the general focus of his irritation as of right now.
And Commander Knutson didn't go into details about those political issues. Again, no specific school threats, but if Jakubowski is still on the loose tomorrow, they'll also be on soft lockdown here in Delavan. Ben Hutchison, WISN 12 News.
Thank you. A threat